Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into, the past 2 days price action broken down in 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And I was not planning on doing this one today, but given the recovery, I wanted to quickly touch base because you got to give credit where credit's due. The opening portion of today was not very good. I mean, right here is what's representing the opening 30 minutes, and you can see that at one point the price had actually dropped all the way down to that point, right there. However, by the time the closing bell had, come about, the price got back up above this green line here, which was a level of support that I talked about in yesterday's video, up there at 54 cents. So yeah, 54 cents was temporarily violated. But, as far as, the way we're looking at the chart, we care about, well, where did the price actually close? And because the price closed above 54 cents, it would still be considered that area of support. So nice to see a sign of bullishness. Yeah, sure, not great to see that level violated, but, much better than having the price, gap down around there. And I'm assuming I kind of speak for most people here when to have a gap down and then have it just drop and drop and drop. So nice to see it go back up there. So sure, maybe not an explosive day in the sense of some huge green candle, but compared to, where it was during that first 30 minutes and where it closed, there was a nice recovery. Other than that, not a whole lot to report. Like I said, 54 cents, still that ideal level of support. If that doesn't hold, 50 cents down here is definitely that must-hold area of support. And then as far as resistance levels up here at 59 is going to be that, initial one right there. So we'll see what happens with it. Volume has dropped off quite a bit, and you'll want to keep an eye on that. If volume drops off too much, then you got to keep in mind a lot of the people that are involved in these penny stocks don't have the longest of attention spans, and they want to go where the action is. I don't blame them. I'm the same way as a trader. Just I want to know where the action is. So if volume stays low for too long, people very well may just start to sell to, find greener pastures as far as, where the action's at. Like I said, I'm not saying that's for sure going to happen, but you definitely want to watch the volume because it really did drop off quite a bit today. So we shall see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.